Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, electrical power and household circuit. Now we all know that electricity is a form of energy and we are using this energy from morning to night in various activities for getting light, for getting heat, for getting sound, for getting mechanical energy and different things. So we know that if we are using a fan, then the mechanical energy is not being produced, it is transformed if we are getting it at the cost of electrical energy. So energy, what happens actually is not a production of energy but only a conversion of energy. That energy is converted from one form to the other. So why we consider that current electricity is a form of energy? Because it can be converted into other form. We can obtain heat, we can obtain light, we can obtain chemical energy, we can obtain mechanical energy from heat, from light, from electrical energy, and electrical energy can be, and these other forms of energy can be produced used to get electrical energy. For example, electrical energy can be obtained from mechanical energy, as in the case of motor, a generator or dynamo. Okay, this way when you are burning fuel, so this all things on passing electric current through the heating element, the heater, what's happened when you pass current through the element of the heater, it gets heated up. So what is happening here? Electrical energy is being converted to heat energy. When electric current is passed through a bulb or lamp, then we get light. What is happening here? Electrical energy is produced, converted into light energy. In the fan, what is happening? The electric motor is converting the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. So what? So measurement of electrical energy. How we can measure electrical energy? See, we know that we have studied earlier that W is equal to Q into V. This work done. And Q is what? I into T. So W will become VIT. This work done is actually the measurement of electrical energy. If we apply Ohm's law, then V is equal to IR, then we will get one more form, I square RT. Or we can get one more form, V square T by R. Electrical power and its expression, P equal to W by T or VI. Power is what? Energy by time. So W is equal to VIT. So power is what? V by T, so you will get VI. So for all these, so energy we got three expressions, VIT, I square RT and V square T by R. If you remove the T, it will become the expression for power. Okay, so what will be the expression for power? VI, V square by R, and finally we are getting what? I square R. Okay, so see, power is equal to W by T, that is VI or V square by R or I square R. Now, what is the unit? As you know, the SI unit of all form of energy is joule, and here also. And about power, the SI unit of power is watt, and we have bigger unit kilowatt, megawatt, and smaller unit also. So commercial unit of electrical energy. Now the energy that we have electrical, the meter we have at home reads the electrical energy in which unit? That is the commercial unit, which is called kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electrical energy, and this relation is very important, that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6. Okay, so 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10⁻⁶ joule. So this relation is very important. Okay, now we are coming to power rating. See, whenever you buy any electrical device, you will see this were written 100 watt to 20 volt or 50 watt to 20 volt or 40 watt to 20 volt. So this watt volt, this is called the power rating. What we call it? Power rating. So from this is what? Power, this is potential difference. So we have studied P equal to VI. So this is P, this is V. So what will be, what we can get? We can get the resistance, we can get the current, Okay, this thing we can get from the power rating. How? Suppose see, what is power? V square by R. So what will be R? V square by P. So from this you can get the resistance. Acha, P equal to VI. So I will be what? P by V. From here you can get the safe current. Okay. So safe current, you just divide this power 100 by 220. So whatever will be that will be the safe current. Okay. So this is all about the power. So in this video, I am only going up to here. See the video and read the book, and in the next video we will go ahead. Okay students, have a nice day.